Morning, middle one. How are you today? Let's start to solve worksheet number 4, page 69. Okay, number 1. Question number 1 complete. Number 1, force is an what attempts to change the object phase from being what to what? Force is an effect. Forces is an effect that attempts to change the object from being static to motion or vice versa. So let's write the answer. So force is an effect that attempts to change the object phase or object state from being static to motion or vice versa. Number 2, force attempts to change the motion what? Force or change the motion direction. Number 3, an object weight equal what times what? Object weight, the weight equal mass times gravity. Mass times gravity. Number 4, the electric motor works on changing what? Electric motor. So the idea of operations of the electric motors, it changes the electric energy into mechanical energy. So the electric motors works on changing electric energy to mechanical energy. Number 5, the electric generators. It's the opposite of the electric motors. The electric generator, middle one, please don't forget, the electric generator is opposite to the operation or the idea of operations of electric generator is opposite to the idea of operations of electric motor. Because the electric motor changes the electric energy into mechanical energy, but the electric generator, they change mechanical energy to electric energy. Number 6, the uses of the electromagnet. The electromagnet uses in what? Uses in electric pills, some devices like electric pills, or used in the electric winches to lift the scrap cars or scrap iron and car parts. So it's used in electric winch to lift the scrap cars or scrap iron or and car parts. Question number 2, define the force. What does it mean by the force? Force, it's an effect. That attempts to change the object phase from being static to motion or vice versa, or attempts to change the motion direction. Let's write the definition of the force. It's an effect that attempts to change the object phase from being static to motion, or vice versa, or attempts to change the motion direction. Motion direction. Number two, the weight. What is the meaning of the weight? Weight, it's the ability of the Earth to attract objects towards its center. So the weight, it's the ability of the Earth to attract objects, towards its center. Write the scientific term, Earth's gravity force to objects. This is called what? This is called gravitational force. Called gravitational force. Number two, the device which is made of an isolated copper wire coiling around a bar of soft iron and works as a magnet when an electric current passes through it. This is called what? This is called this device is called electromagnet. Number three, the energy that the atom stores inside the nucleus. This energy called nuclear energy. Or nuclear forces. This is nuclear energy or nuclear force. Choose the correct answer. Question 4. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Universal forces in nature are what? Are attraction forces, or electromagnetic forces, or nuclear forces, or all the previous? So the answer will be all the previous. Number 2. Choose the apple falls down due to the effect of what? The apple falls down, or any object. When you lift it and leave it, then it will fall down. Why? Due to the what? Due to the electromagnetic forces, or attraction forces, or nuclear forces. Due to the attraction forces. Number 3, the attraction force is measured in what? Attraction force measured in Newton. Here, choose from column A what's it in column B. Number 1, Newton. Newton, it's the unit for what? For gravity, acceleration, or mass, or force, or distance. Newton measured by force. Number 2, meter per second square. This is gravity acceleration, or the unit of the gravity acceleration, meter per second square. Number 3, kilogram. Kilogram, it's the unit to measure the mass. And number 4, meter, it's a unit to measure the distance. Question number 5, if you know that the gravity problems, if you know that the gravity acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, calculate the weight of the following. Calculate the weight of the following. A, 50 kilogram mass ball. So the weight equal mass times gravity. So equal what? Mass 50 times gravity 9.8, I'm sorry, 9.8. So equal 50 times 9.8 equal 409. And the weight measured by Newton. B, weight also equal mass times gravity. So mass 100 kilogram mass boy, so 100 times 9.8, so equal 980 Newton. And 2, calculate the mass of an object if the attraction force is equal 60 Newton and the gravity acceleration equals 9.8. So here I need the mass. So mass here equal what? Equal weight or force, attraction force, divided gravity. So equal force 60 divided 9.8, so it equal 6.12 kilogram, because the mass measured by kilogram. Okay, thank you, Madam Wanda. See you soon. Goodbye.